In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on live captions in Google Chrome. This feature is incredibly useful for enhancing your browsing experience, particularly if you prefer reading along with audio or need captions for accessibility reasons. Live captions in Google Chrome automatically generates captions for any audio content that plays in your browser, helping users who are deaf or hard of hearing, or anyone who might prefer to follow along with written words. Let's start by opening your Google Chrome browser. Once you're in, focus on the top right corner of your window, where you'll see a button with 3 dots. This is commonly referred to as the Menu or More Options button. Clicking on these 3 dots will open a drop-down menu that provides a wealth of options for customizing your Chrome experience. In this drop-down menu, look for the Settings option. Selecting this will take you to the Chrome Settings page, where you can control a wide range of features. Sometimes this page can feel a bit overwhelming because it offers so many customization options, but don't worry, we're focusing on a specific area today. Now, on the left-hand side of the settings page, you'll see a column with different categories. Here, you want to find and click on Accessibility. This section is designed to make Chrome easier to use for everyone, including those with differing needs or preferences. It's a powerful part of Chrome that you don't want to overlook. Once you're in the Accessibility section, scroll until you see the option labeled Live Caption. This is the feature we're after, and it's going to enable captions for any audio content that comes through Chrome. To activate this feature, you need to click on the toggle switch located next to Live Caption. When you click the toggle, it should change color, often from gray to blue, indicating that it is now turned on. With Live Caption activated, Chrome will automatically start generating captions for any audio you play through the browser, whether it's a video from a social media platform, a podcast, or any other audio content. This is particularly helpful in noisy environments where listening to audio might be difficult, or simply if you prefer not to use headphones. And there you have it. You've successfully turned on live captions in Google Chrome. Remember, this feature can be turned off anytime by simply going back into the accessibility settings and clicking the toggle switch again. Whether you're using this feature to stay engaged during videos, podcasts, or any other online content, it's a good reminder of how technology can make the digital world more accessible to everyone. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.